Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today I have this special tool set with it's a torque wrench. If you do have bicycle or planning to buy bicycles, this is a very important tools to have actually. It comes with 16 bits on tool and extension as well. I will show you all this instruction how to use this. And here's a certificate of calibration, because you have to calibrate it, I believe, every year or so, depending how often you use this. So this is a tool. It comes with a locking mechanism, so in order to adjust it you have to push it like this and turn it. Over here is a scale. The scale it can vary from 2 new meters to 40 new meters, which is great for bike use. So when you set up the bicycle and tighten up some bolts, that's very important. And in order to attach, you press this button over here and it will not fall out or move. And it can move dual direction to the right or to the left when you switch this switcher. And many of you will ask, where do I find this information for torque numbers, like how much torque should I use on each part. For example, this one is by Nacta Santa Monica bike manual. You can find actually in your manual the one came with your bike. Sometimes they have it online on the website. Sometimes you need to contact customer service to get these numbers. But this company, Nacta, they actually include everything in the manual right over here. And it's very important to use. So they'll tell you what area and how much torque new meters have to be used on specific part, okay? And they have a big list because there's many parts you need to tighten. You just follow this manual and tighten the bolts the way it's supposed to be. If you don't know how much, contact your e-bike or bicycles support team and they will be able to provide you. And it's very important because if you tighten too hard, the bolt might break down. If you tighten too little, it might loosen up. So let me show how it works. Alright, so let me show you how to use. So I set it up to 10 new meters to tighten this bolt. It's pretty simple. You just pull this one down, the locking mechanism, and turning until you reach desired torque scale number. So I put number 10. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it. So it should be number 10 over here. And then how it works. So you start to tighten. One way you'll hear a lot of small clicks, and then over here it's still straight. So once it starts to bend, you see it's bended, and it will give you a little bit click. So it means you reach the torque. Let me go back and show you again. I'm untighten, switch to another direction, and now as you can see I tighten. Nothing happens over here until I reach desired new meter torque. Okay, it's a little bit like bending, so it means it's reached desired torque. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you need one of these tools, I think highly recommend to have one, because it will save your life to tighten correct new meter torque for different parts.